Good evening. Every individual in the country has got UID. It stands for Unique Identification. That is nothing but our Aadhaar. We got Aadhaar cards and Aadhaar number, which consists of UID, Unique Identification Number. If it is given to each individual, for each individual, tracking each individual becomes very easy. And if you look at Aadhaar card, that can be used for opening the bank accounts for the purpose of getting driving license. So like this, at various places that is being used, and nowadays every service is being linked to Aadhaar. And for that matter, recently also we can see this vaccination, even for the purpose of this vaccination, so they are using this Aadhaar card. For individuals we have this Aadhaar card. Then what about the lands in India? You have so much of land in India, and many of the lands are under dispute, and this dispute is because of the identification. On single land, many people claim their rights. But how do you address this? In order to address this one, the central government came out with the concept of unique land identification. It has already been rolled out in 10 states in the year 2021. By the year 2022, this is going to be there in almost all the states in the country. Regarding that, we have the information, and I am going to show you that information, and kindly have a look at this. So here is the question, important one. How many digits are present in unique land parcel identification number? How many digits are present in unique land parcel identification number? 11 digits, 12 digits, 14 digits, or 16 digits? Important one. And this is considered to be Aadhaar of land. Very, very, very important one. And the answer is option C, that is 14. How many digits? 14 digits are present in unique land parcel identification number. So here is the answer. Look at this. The central government plans to issue 14 digit identification number to every plot of land in the country within 1 year of time. Very, 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 very important one. Every plot in the country is going to get this particular number. And this UL PIN, this scheme has been launched in 10 states in the year 2021. It has already been launched, and this is going to be rolled out across the country by March 2022. Whatever the land disputes and disturbances we see in the country, there is going to be an end to this. But basically, if you look at these land disputes, based on this one, large number of cases are filed in various courts across the country. Once this comes into picture, the identification of the land and owner would become very easy, and these disputes will be reduced very drastically. Look at this. This is being described as Aadhaar for land. It is a number that would uniquely identify every surveyed parcel of land and prevents the land fraud, especially in the hinterlands of the rural of India, where land records are outdated and are often disputed. Large number of disputes we'll see with respect to the land, and there is going to be check with this ULPIN as far as all the disputes are concerned. Look at this. The identification will be based on the longitude and latitude coordinates of the land parcel, and is dependent on detailed surveys and geo-referenced cadastral maps. Very important one. The technology is being utilized here, and we are going to get the clear-cut land surveys. So this is the next step in the Digital India Land Records Modernization Program that began in the year 2008. Meaning the seeds were sown long back only. Long back only the seeds were sown, and now so this is going to be upgraded. And you already know what is the meaning of Digital India, right? Look at this. Proper land statistics and land accounting through ULPIN will help develop land banks and lead towards integrated land information management system. Very, 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 very important one. All right. So like this, these type of questions may be asked in the examination, and you should be very clear with all these things. So thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next class.